So today we are going to learn about basics of stock market. Before doing deep analysis, there are two parts of stock market, which is fundamental and technical, on which stock increases or decreases. In technical, there is 1. Line graph, 2. Bars, 3. Candles, candlestick, 4. Hikanashi. We are going to learn about candles, candlestick. Types of candles. 1. Green candle. 2. Red candle. Green candle is formed when the closing price is higher than opening price in a given time. Let's take an example. Opening price of stock is 100. So let's mark a horizontal dash naming it 100. Then price went at 95. Then price made a high of 110 and then close at 105. Now make a rectangle from open to close and shade it with green color as closing is higher than opening. And high and low is called as wig of the candle. The candle will look like these. Now, let's look at some real charts. Can you find green candles in Tesla chart? Pause the video for 20 seconds and find it. There are many green candles. Every candle is right, but some of the major ones are getting highlighted. Now let's take one more example of Nifty. I know these time you will find it. One thing which we are forgetting is time. There are different types of chart: 0.5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day, so on. Let's look at 5 minutes. So if you move your cursor on a candle, it will show you a time. Here you can see 9:15, and it's a 5 minutes chart that simply tells that high, low, open, and close from 9:15 to 9:20, as it is 5 minutes chart. If it's a 15 minutes chart, then if it's showing 9:15, then it is open, high, low, and close from 9:15 to 9:30. Now let's see some example. In given example, you can see in bottom, it's showing date and time. And on the top of the chart, you can see the time frame, that is 5 minutes. Now we will also learn to change time frame. On the top, click on 5 minutes. You will see number of options from where you can change the time frame. Now, what is red candle? Red candle is when closing price is less than opening price. Firstly, it opened at a price of 105, then it went up to 110. Later, it went crossing its open and making a low of 95. Then after some time, it rose and closed at 100. Once the stock closes at a certain price, rectangle is formed from opening to closing and filling it with red color as opening is greater than closing. Let's see some example. You need to find red candles. If you find it, kudos to you. Thank you for watching these video. I hope you liked it. Share, like, and subscribe. If you have any doubt, then comment down below.